guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you ever so much for clicking on this video and tuning in today. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Barbara. I go by the name of Simple Yet Stylish on all socials, and I upload fashion and lifestyle content. So if any of those topics are of interest to you, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your ongoing support. Now, before we get into the video, I must add I've got a bit of a flu, so my voice is a little off and my throat is on fire. But nonetheless, the show must go on, so I had to come on here and film this video for you guys. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be unboxing a bag for you, a luxury handbag. It's been a while since I've shared one of these videos, simply because it's been a while since I purchased a bag. Whenever I get the chance to, I would always bring that type of content onto this platform, simply because I know you guys enjoy it and we do have a good old chat in the comment section. So without further delay, let's get into the bag. Right, so as most of you will know, for those who watch my channel, I was recently in Atlanta. I was there for, well, from the start of spring. And whilst I was there, I done quite a bit of shopping. There was a bag on my wish list that I saw prior to traveling. Saw it quite a couple weeks ago, I would say. I would say like probably mid-January, I think, is when I came across the bag on TikTok. And under the comment section in that video, a lot of people were saying that the bag is not available in the UK. I actually went ahead and done further research, and it was confirmed that the bag was not available in the UK. Not sure if it will be when I post this video, but if it is, of course, I will add maybe like a little disclaimer on screen, and of course I will pop relevant links in the description box below. But if not, then you will have to go onto the US site if possible to see if you can purchase it somehow from there. But anyway, so there was one day I went to Lenox Mall. Whilst I was in Atlanta, I literally lived in Lenox Mall. I was there a lot of the time. And rather than doing like my regular old window shopping and just buying things sort of like spontaneously, I decided on this particular day to create a list of things that I want/need. So walking into the mall, I knew exactly where I was going, what I needed, and what I was going to purchase. Now, prior to that, I did check on this brand's website to see if they had the bag in stock at the Lenox Mall branch or store, but unfortunately they didn't. Nonetheless, that didn't stop me from popping in there. So once I had done like all my shopping at Sephora, Zara, etc., I went into the store and I asked two lovely ladies who were standing at the door if they had this particular bag in stock, and they said no. However, they said that they could order it in for me. So I said, okay, despite the fact that I really want this bag, let me think about it thoroughly and let me not just go in and order it without putting much thought behind it. So I went round to a few other shops whilst thinking if it makes sense for me to have the bag ordered in or not. Long story short, I ended up going back and I was kindly seated. Service was amazing. Offered drinks, options of the bag, got to view it online because obviously they didn't have it in stock. And then I ended up ordering the bag. Because it was quite close to like my departure date or like my leaving date, I didn't want to take the risk of having the bag delivered to me at my place of residence. So I opted to have the bag delivered in store and then just pick it up. The service was very fast, very, very efficient. They kept me updated via emails and text messages. And the day that they said the bag would actually arrive in store for me to pick up, it was actually ready. However, I couldn't pop in because by the time it was ready, I think it was like 6:45 p.m. And I believe the store closed at 7 or 8. I was somewhere else doing something else that would have required me to change a whole load of stuff unnecessarily just to go to Lenox Mall to pick up the bag. So I ended up picking it up the following day. But either way, this story is just to share the great service that I received throughout the process of purchasing this bag. So now, here it is. This is the packaging. Obviously you guys can see the name already, so you know where it's from. And I'm sure you can tell by the size of the packaging that it is a teeny weeny micro mini nano size of a mustard seed type of bag. And contrary to everything that I talk about on my channel whenever I do share videos based on like handbags and stuff, I will explain further the reason why I purchased a bag of this size. So before we get into it as well, sorry guys, I know I'm rambling, but I just want to make sure that I get everything out and I don't miss any points. But before we get into it, as you guys can tell, I haven't opened the bag because I can't tie a bow this good. And typically when I do unboxings, sometimes it's not my first reaction because I actually want to see the product and talk about it a little bit more in detail. But this is my first time. I didn't open it when I was in Atlanta, and I haven't opened it since I've been back home. So you guys are also going to be getting my first reaction to the bag. So without further delay, let's get into it. So let's untie this ribbon. And I must say I like the packaging because sometimes, you know, I understand that they want to protect the products and make sure that it doesn't get damaged, but sometimes you buy luxury items and it comes with all this paper, all these boxes and all this packaging, and you're just like, this is so unnecessary. But anyway, here's what the inside looks like, and it comes with a little card, and at the back of it, it says, "Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. If you have any questions, we would love to hear from you at customercare@coach.com or their telephone number." And yeah, that's that. So let me just pop that there somewhere and then take the bag out. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I don't want to rip the paper off, so I'm just going to slide it out very gently, because crazy me, I'm actually going to put this back in the bag and film this again for TikTok. So basically, here's the bag, and this is the Coach Joni bag, I believe. Yes, this is the Coach Joni bag, and I got it in a sort of ivory off-white creamish color with sort of like gold, sort of like washed out gold hardware. It's not like a deep strong gold, but I absolutely love this bag. I think it's so cute. Just want to turn around quickly and have a look at my bags. Yes, this is definitely for sure the smallest bag that I currently own, and I absolutely love it. I think it's so gorgeous. Let me open it up. Sorry guys, let's do a little bit more detail. So initially it comes like this. This is obviously the handle, the little top handle, but it has this little hook where you can remove it and it opens up like that. I'm not sure if it comes with like additional straps or anything of the sort like the Fendi one, but I will definitely do my Googles and check the resources online, and if it does, I will pop it on screen for you guys. But yeah, you can just obviously open it and close it like that. I'm going to leave it open just so that it's easier for me to get my massive hands to unzip it. And the zip has the Coach C logo, which is a nice extra touch of detail. And then once you open it up, okay. Once you open it up, it comes with a strap. That's so amazing, because guys, let me know in the comment section, but I know for a fact I'm not the only one that finds it so frustrating when you buy a bag from a luxury brand, whether it is a very expensive bag, mid-price point, like in the luxury field, or sort of like a more affordable, and it doesn't come with a strap, and you have to purchase the strap separately, and the strap costs either, the price of the strap is equivalent or sometimes higher than a normal standard bag. You're just better off buying a bag rather than buying another strap. And I find that so frustrating, especially with brands like Fendi, Dior, those sort of like much higher ones. It's so annoying. Just give me the strap, you know? So anyway, here it is. It's a nice length, and it obviously comes with the adjustable section here, so you can adjust it according to your preference if you want to wear it shorter or longer. And obviously with a strap, you can wear it as a crossbody bag, or you can wear it over the shoulder. So I'm just going to pop that on for you guys to see. I guess I'll just maybe hook it here. Don't know if that looks okay. Yeah, obviously, because the bag will be like this. Yeah, so here it is with the strap, and you can just wear it like this, which looks really nice, or you can wear it over your shoulder. So that's great. Now let me just remove the strap quickly and let's get back into the interior of the bag. So the interior of the bag is just a basic brown. If the camera's not picking it up, I'll do a separate cutaway. And it has the salt thingy that's a lot of products come with, and also just a little product booklet, those mini booklets. And then it's got the Coach sign inside, and that is pretty much it. At the bottom it says genuine glove tanned leather. I'll do a separate cutaway again if it's not picking that up. And on the side it's got the little Coach label. I made a mistake. I actually hooked the bag onto the wrong sides. Of course, they've got hooks on either side of the bag where you can hook it on. But I absolutely love this bag. When I was purchasing it, obviously I was given options. I knew which one I wanted to get. I knew I wanted to get this color because I don't have a bag this color in my collection. And although I'm sort of more versatile and open to different colors and different tones, I'm still trying to stay true to my style and keep things neutral in my wardrobe, because I know I always grab my neutral pieces and it just makes sense in terms of cost per wear. The only thing is that when staying in the neutral sort of lane, I want to go for colors that I don't have. So like I said, I don't have anything in my collection this color, this white color, ivory, off-white, cream, whatever you want to label it as. I don't have shoes this color, and I don't have a bag this color. So this is my first. But I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot, especially for special occasions. To be fair, because of the color as well, I'm not going to be just picking it up at any given opportunity just to wear it anywhere, anyhow. It will definitely be worn to like weddings, parties, dinner parties, those sorts of events. But it's just nice to have something cute, something sort of, you know, within that like clutch family, or something that could pass as a little clutch or a little purse that you can carry rather than carrying like a massive bag or a bag of a slightly bigger size. So I absolutely love this. Now give me time, guys, because I want to take her out for a spin a couple of times, and then I will get back to you guys and give you a more detailed review, which will be a luxury handbag review video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see that so you don't miss out. But I'm also probably going to do a more in-depth video comparing this one to the Fendi bag. The Fendi one, as most of you will know, is called the Fendi Graphy, I believe that's what it's called. And they have this size as well. The Fendi one is very distinct because it's got Fendi in hardware, gold, or I believe gold. I'm not sure if you can get it in other colors, but gold hardware Fendi going across the bottom of the bag, which makes it very distinct and very different from a lot of the dupes or similarities that you see of this shape and size. I was going to purchase the Fendi one last year for my birthday, and then God slapped sense into me and said, no, don't buy it. With that being said, I can still kind of see myself buying the Fendi one. I don't know. There's just something about it that I really, really like. But at the time, it was retailing for, I believe, £930 for this size bag. So going back to what I was saying, I've talked about this before in previous videos where I've said, like, it doesn't make sense. Each to their own. Each to their own. Quick disclaimer, each to their own. But it doesn't make sense to buy micro, mini, nano bags for over £500. I've said it before in my videos, but when it comes to the Fendi one, I think it's a statement piece. I think if you know what you're doing in terms of fashion and your personal style, you can wear it for years and years and years and years and years to come. But I'm glad I didn't buy that one, because if I did and I had come across this one at the time that I did, I wouldn't have even, you know, looked twice at it. But this, I got it for a fraction of the Fendi price, and I'm really, really happy. It just looks everything like the Fendi one, except this is Coach. So yeah, I just realized that I said to you guys that I don't have anything of this color. I actually do. So I've got the Coach pillow tabby bag, which I purchased 3 years ago, and it's actually very similar to this color. So apologies, I'm not going to scrap that out of the video, but I can get it for you guys. It is a much deeper tone. Okay, so here's the Coach pillow tabby bag. So this is what I would say is a nude bag. This is definitely nude. So okay, it's not the same. Can you guys pick up the difference? I hope you can. I hope my camera's showing it, but it's definitely not the same. But because I classify this as white, that's why I said I don't have anything in my collection in this sort of like color palette, but they're quite similar, but you can obviously tell the difference. So that's that. And just to piggyback off of, you know, showing you guys my other Coach bag, I love the direction that Coach has been going in for the past, I would say 3-4 years, especially with like their bags. Coach is a brand that in the past most people probably would have considered for the more mature age demographic. It's not really a bag that the young girls would have like gravitated towards, or a brand that the young girls would have gravitated towards. But I feel like when they came out with the pillow tabby, which was very popular and still is till this day, it sort of like opened up their age demographic, and you saw women or people of all different age ranges carrying this style of bag, and the other ones that look similar to this. So I really love that, and I just love the direction that they're going in with the bags. So I'm really happy that they brought this out. Lastly, this bag comes in various different colors. I will pop the pictures on screen for you guys so that you can see, but this was the only one that had gold hardware. And although I've said before on this channel that I am sort of branching out into different types of hardware or accessories and not just keeping it one way with gold, whenever I do have the option, gold is always my first choice. So that's another reason why I went for this color, because the others, as nice as they were, they all had silver hardware. I think even the pink one had silver hardware, and I was just like, it looks nice, but I feel like it will look better with gold hardware, or they should at least have the option of buying that bag with gold hardware. So yeah, this is it. So anyway, that is it for this video, guys. I'm still holding the bag, holding it like it's my baby, literally, because it's so tiny. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's a short one. Try to keep it as brief yet detailed as possible. So I hope I've answered any possible questions or queries that you may have had in regards to this bag whilst watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.